Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick ramen broth, updated. Start by simmering aromatics in 4 cups water for 5 minutes, then add concentrated flavor like soy or miso. Taste and adjust salt with small pinches to avoid over-seasoning. I'll show quick protein options and a fast way to finish with aromatics and oil to create restaurant-style depth in under 20 minutes. Keep your broth bright and balanced by layering small bold ingredients rather than long cooking. Start with dashi or kombu for umami, then lift flavors with a splash of rice vinegar or mirin. Add toasted sesame oil or chili oil at the end to create aroma and complexity. I'll guide you through amounts to use so your bowl tastes rich without being heavy, and how to adapt seasonings to your pantry. Completing the bowl fast means choosing proteins and toppings that finish quickly. Poach an egg in the simmering broth for 3 minutes for a soft center. Toss in thinly sliced leftover chicken or cubes of tofu to warm through without overcooking. Add greens like baby spinach and a sheet of nori at the end so they stay bright. I'll show timing tips so everything reaches the bowl perfectly at the same moment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.